Unveiling solutions. Understanding hair loss. Hair loss affects millions each year, triggering a quest for effective treatments. The impact goes beyond the physical, affecting self-esteem and emotional well-being. From natural remedies to advanced medical interventions, we'll explore 9 treatments that deliver results. Stay tuned to uncover these life-changing treatments. The impact of hair loss. Hair loss deeply affects one's emotional health and social life. Imagine waking up to find more hair on your pillow or constantly hiding thinning areas. This reality can lead to significant stress and anxiety. Millions share this struggle, each seeking effective ways to manage their conditions. Exploring natural remedies. Let's start with nature's offerings. Herbs like saw palmetto and pumpkin seed oil may inhibit DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. Essential oils like rosemary and peppermint nourish the scalp and improve hair thickness. These natural remedies can be excellent first steps in combating hair loss. Medical interventions that work. Treatments like Minoxidil and Finasteride are the cornerstone of hair loss therapy, backed by years of research. These medications target hormonal and genetic factors, offering hope and real results. Key takeaways from hair loss treatments. Effective solutions exist, empowering you to make informed decisions. Whether you prefer herbal remedies or prescription medications, the goal is to regain your hair and confidence. Join the conversation. Have you tried any of these methods? Share your stories in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more health and wellness content. Understanding Minoxidil. Minoxidil widens blood vessels, allowing more oxygen, blood, and nutrients to hair follicles. This process halts hair loss and promotes regrowth in thinning areas. The science behind Finasteride. Finasteride inhibits the enzyme converting testosterone into DHT, slowing hair loss and stimulating regrowth. Hair transplant surgery, a closer look. Techniques like FUE and FUT transfer hair from denser areas to balding areas, providing natural-looking results. PRP therapy, harnessing your body's healing power. PRP therapy uses your blood's platelets to stimulate hair growth by promoting healing and increasing blood supply to hair follicles. Empowering your journey against hair loss. We've explored treatments offering hope and real solutions for hair loss. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to create a more in-depth video on any of the mentioned treatments. Stay informed and choose what suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for joining us today. Share this video and subscribe for more health insights. Stay healthy and positive, and see you in the next video.